In the early 20th century, one man's inventions promised to revolutionize life as we knew it. But Thomas Midgley Jr., hailed as a genius in his time, would unwittingly go down in history as one of the most destructive figures to ever live. Midgley's story begins with ambition and ingenuity. An engineer and chemist, he worked for General Motors in the 1920s, tasked with solving a growing problem in the automotive industry: engine knocking. Engines ran inefficiently, noisy, and unpredictable. What the world needed was a miracle, and Thomas Midgley delivered it. Midgley discovered that adding tetraethyl lead to gasoline smoothed out the combustion process, allowing cars to run quieter and more efficiently. It was a breakthrough. General Motors marketed the product as ethyl gasoline, and it was a commercial success. But there was a dark side to this so-called miracle. Midgley's invention was laced with lead, a poison known for centuries to wreak havoc on the human body and brain. The dangers were ignored, dismissed as minor risks. At first, inside the factories where ethyl was produced, workers began experiencing terrifying symptoms. They hallucinated. Visions of ghosts, strange creatures, and voices that weren't there. Some descended into madness. And then, they started to die. 10 men succumbed in just 2 years, their bodies ravaged by lead poisoning. The public grew concerned, but Midgley brushed aside their fears. In a bold and ultimately reckless move, he staged a live demonstration. Before a crowd of onlookers, Midgley dipped his hands into ethyl gasoline, inhaled its fumes, and confidently proclaimed it safe. Not long after, Midgley himself developed lead poisoning. Weak, frail, and under scrutiny, he quietly stepped away from the project. But the damage was done. Leaded gasoline was unleashed upon the world, poisoning millions and contaminating the air for nearly a century. Despite this disaster, Midgley wasn't finished. He turned his focus to refrigeration, a growing industry in need of safer cooling agents. His answer was Freon, a chlorofluorocarbon hailed as a wonder chemical. Once again, Midgley was celebrated as a hero of innovation. But Freon had its own devastating legacy. Decades later, scientists discovered that chlorofluorocarbons were tearing a hole in the ozone layer, exposing the Earth to harmful ultraviolet radiation. By the 1940s, Midgley's life took a cruel turn. He contracted polio, leaving him paralyzed and bedridden. Ever the inventor, he refused to give up. To regain some independence, he devised an intricate system of pulleys and ropes that allowed him to lift himself from bed. But this final invention would be his undoing. On November 2nd, 1944, Thomas Midgley became entangled in his own creation. He was strangled to death by the very ropes he designed to help him. Midgley's death was tragically fitting, a man undone by the unintended consequences of his own ingenuity. His inventions, though groundbreaking at the time, left scars on the planet that will take generations to heal. Thomas Midgley Jr. was not an evil man. He was a man of his time, one who believed in the power of science to solve any problem. But his story reminds us of the cost of hubris, the need to think not just about what we can do, but what we should do.